Welcome to Eversta!
Hello my dear friends, these are our brand new E46 model backhoe loader. It's equipped with a 4-in-1 package. It can fitted with a range of attachments such as 4 6-in-1 bucket, belt fork, and sweeper, and so on. We can equip anything you want.
Hi, this is our luxury cabin. It's equipped with an air conditioner, a rear view camera, and an LED display. It's really amazing. Do have a look.
Equipped with each type of riggers, which can be mechanically shifted sideways. It can replace with a hydraulic breaker and an auger. If you need our machines, please contact me at any time.